Good morning, sir. This is the 2.5.1 Eco Sounder Ecographs Control Digital. This is the power button. The power button is to access or to on the whole device in Eco Sounder. And next is range. Range determining the distance to an object by measuring time between transmitting some signals hearing its echo. So ang range is to determine the kanang distance niya, sir, or kanang kalayon between sa kanang mga object or mga or ships ba na kanang or yung ana siya, sir. So next is mark. Mark ani. Mark. This is this mark. Mark is this button used to draw a line on a paper as a mark to indicate certain time. So mo draw siya sa may balaan mo ang asa siya or sa oras ba ni siya certain time. So next is gain. The application of ultrasounds ano siya gain. The application of the ultrasound signals your transducer signals records echo gates turns into light or darker. So the gain is to transduce records or kanang ano siya makita nimo ang may balaan nimo ang kangit-ngit og kahayag. Mo ni siya gain, sir. Then alarm is kanang like mo adto ka sa kanang mga mabaw nga surface, sir. Mo na siya og kanang og mabaw mabaw ino barko. Mo na siya mo alarm na siya, sir, mo tingog na siya kay maaron ma-aware nga kanang mabaw na siya
ubos.
Kanang masayad na inyong barko. And the last is kaning TVG or time varied gain. Signals composition that removes transmission loss effect from echo sounders. And that's all, sir. Thank you.